Hello everybody, Robert back here again, and we're going to continue our house project that we're creating. So now we've got our floor joists in, and we're going to go around and do this veranda or this porch and add flooring here and add flooring up here. And so let's go to our foundation plan drawing that we're using as a reference from our LinkedIn PDF. In this drawing, we're basically doing everything here because it's a reference and it has all the right sizes and dimensions that we need. So we're going to continue on as soon as Revit decides she wants to give me this plan. Okay, now here we go. So let's do a window tile here. And zoom on. So now this is our 3D model. And this thing is taking a little time because of that PDF we had in there. Okay, now we're here. So let's do these floor joists. Now we had a framing plan here. I don't have it open, but we're not going to worry about it. So to do the floor in this drawing, we're going to just do another beam system. So let's go into my structure. We go to beam, and they have the 2x10 joists here, as you can see. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and do a structure, beam system, and I want to sketch it. So to start off, we want to go right here. And we'll go to this point to about here. Let's just draw this in this way, but actually this is going to come down to here. So let me just pull this line down to the wall and grab it and just drag it down. I think, yeah, you can. But I'm going to move it, just take it and drag it here, or we can align it to this. Should be, if we got our snaps on. But I'll just move it here. Doesn't have to be perfect, but let's take it to there. And then we'll just do the pick line command for this line, this one, and this one, and for that. And then we'll clean this up. If they look, so in order to suffer our span, it's going to go this way. And we want to hit finish. Okay, something's overlapping, so we need to fix that, and I can see it already, just right here. So let's close this off and fix this right here, and then it's finished. Now, the elevation height from our floor is 8'3", so we just change this to 8'3" right now. Oops, sorry about that. So 8 foot, 3 inches. And hit finish. And there you see our joists have come in, but I think they're a little bit low. Something doesn't look right here. Oh, wait a minute. Let's take a look here in the 3D view and see what's going on. Okay, so they're low. So let's just check this height for these. It's 8'3". This should be 8'3". So what do we got going? Oh, it's a justification here, I think. So let's check this justification. This is center. It's this justification here. Okay. Actually, that is the right height. This looked funny in that view, but that's where it should be. So let's go and open up our south elevation just so we can see things a little better here. Yeah, they're at the same right height. So still, now let's go and do, let me window tile this. we've got our joist there, so let's go over here and add more over here in this part of our deck. Now actually these should come out, so let's do this again, because we don't want to span that way, we want to span all these this way. So let me go back here. Let's just redo this one more time here. We'll undo that back. So we want to go to this point. So let's do our beam system again. We want to sketch it. And I'll just straight up sketch it this time. Might be a little faster. That way. I'm going to go to there. Could go to the center line of the wall, but nah, we don't need to have that much detail. So from this point, we want to go up, down to this column, and then come back across. Bring this line down. Oh, we want to go to here, to the wall, and back here. Now we've got everything in place. We want to get our span correct. Span is this way. And we'll hit finish. So there's our joist. And we want to bring these guys up. So that was 8'3", that was our height. You can just go 8 space 3. Revit knows that that's 8'3", and there they go. So let's go and do the front part, or this elevation over here. We want to go, so we got that elevation, that's good, so you can stay there. So let's go with structure, beam. The beam system, and we want to sketch. So this time we want to sketch from here across to there. No, we want to start here. So let's undo that back. So we'll start here. Start it there, go to there, come up to this column, or this point here, hit the edge of that wall. Here, I think we want to be right on the edge of this wall right here. And we'll draw a line and come up to there. We'll miss the fireplace. Don't want any wood there. And here, and we'll come back here. And let's just clean this off. Go there to there. We've got the span is going the right direction. And we'll click finish. And we've got to move these guys up too. So it's in the beam system, we can handle that. So you see it there, I've got it selected. Let's go with 8'3". We're going to keep these together because we may need to do an adjustments for the floor, finished floor, and there we go. So let's have a look in our 3D view. And as you can see, we should have pushed those out. So what you can do here now, this is pretty neat. You can select this guy. Or let's open up another view here. That's level 1. Yeah, see in level 1 we can see that. So let's grab it. Let's edit this sketch. Edit boundary. Let's pull this back to here. Set it right about there and finish. And there's our profile. I think I might want to edit this here now. Just select it. Edit boundary. That's going to stay there for some reason. I guess it's okay. Let's just finish that off. So there in our 3D view, as you can see, we have our wood joist placed for our porch. Now let's do a window tile and pick up that view we're referencing, this one right here. Now you got to get used to all the different views and what you're working with. So now let's go here and now let's draw this guy for this side. So let's go to structure, beams, and beam system. Using a 2x10 joist, and we're going to sketch. So from here, it looks like this is where we are. So let's take this guy, let's start it from here. Let's just use this wall as a reference line. Go from there to there, down to here. Bring this over to here, up to this wall edge, this wall, this one. Just take it right on around there. Now right here, let's just do this for this one. Let's just clean this, trim this off, it'll be easier. And now we gotta get our span for these gonna go this way. So let's go beam direction, select this line, and we'll finish it. And we'll grab the beam system again. And we'll change this height to 8'3". And there you go, there's our depth. Seeing some funny stuff in here, so let's go back down here and do some editing. So let's grab this, let's change these. This can go either way, but I would think, yeah, we want to hang these on the house. So this really doesn't matter too much, I don't think. Because we got a joist here to hang this on. But just to be consistent, let's edit this sketch, edit this boundary. And we probably gonna have to grab this and pull it out. We can only do one at a time. Let's go and move this. We probably gonna get a warning here. Let's just center right on that. And let's finish it. And there, see, can't have that. So let's go grab this one, edit this boundary, just pull it back to here. We hit the move command and move this back to this column right here. I'm not a structural engineer, as you can see, but I think that will work and finish it. So that's how we want that to look, I think. So now we go in our 3D view, you'll see we've got our entire floor in framing. So now what we want to do here is basically here now, we want to go down into our foundation. Let's go look at our levels now. I want to create 2 new levels here because this thing's higher than this, and we got this level at 10. And if we look at that section again, that would be 9 feet. Let me just zoom this up, blow this up here. So the top level is 9 feet. from the finished floor. So what we're going to do here now is go back into our drawing. And here, so this should be 9. Well, let's do this. Let's add another level in here. We'll call this finished floor. So let's create another level in the datum. We got to be in this view. Now we select the datum and we'll do a finished floor right about this height right here. So I'm going to just go here. That's 9 inches. So I'm going to just draw a level right through here. And just so we won't get confused here, I'm going to rename this to finished floor. And just say okay there, and we'll say yes. So this is our finished floor. This is going to be a level in itself, which we're going to use. And we've got it at 9 inches. So we can make this anything. So let's make this 8'9". Let's make this 9'9". This level here is going to be 9'9". And then we got another level here on the top. So let's go with, make another level here. And this one was 8 feet. We'll just do, okay, so we got this level here. So let's just draw a level in here. We can adjust it anytime. So let's just go right there, do a level. We call it a level 5, but it's not level 5. So let's go across here and place it there. Let's just take it over here so we can get the height. So between, this is 20'5" and 5/8. So I'll just want to go 8 feet above 9'9". So we want to make this at 9'9". So let's just, I tell you what, let's go back into that section view. Whoop, not that view. 8 feet and 9 feet. So that's actually 17. So let's go right here and make this 17'9". So that's the full length height of our house now. Okay, so now what we need to do here, these columns in our view down here, if I can just grab one. I want to select all these instances, an entire project. And I want to take these up to that level 5. Say okay there. And now they're up to level 5. So we got a warning in there, so we need to get in here and see what's going on here. Okay, those guys still there. So they pushed up our footings, and we don't want that. So we're going to do that. So let's go back in here. Let's just push one up to see what's going to happen here. So let's tab till we find that one. So it's top level is level 1. So let's do this again. Let's make the top level 5. Okay, there it worked. Put something wrong, I guess. So here, you want to grab the rest of these. Select all instances in the entire project. And top level will be level 5. So there's our columns from the basement. These go all the way up. And see what's happening here. So there you go. That's the way that should look. So now we've got that done there. So now let's go in here and look at the floor. So let's go into our finished floor level, which is this. And we can use this again as our reference. So I'm going to go and place the floor in here. I want it in this view though, but let's just grab it here. Let's go to create floor. Okay, let's go architecture floor. Let's go architectural floor. And right now, let's just go to generic floor. And let's just pick these walls here in this view. I'll cut this one off for now so we can see better. And I'll get rid of my level 1. And let's tile this. So in this view, our reference view that we're using here, let's go in here and place some floors. So let's use the pick line command and let's just go pick this line. This will be our floor right through here. Pick that one. Not picking, huh? Okay. I don't know what's going on there, but we can draw it in. Oh, well. Let's just draw it in. I don't know what's going on there. Now the floor is here, so we can finish it and let's just move it up. Now we need to grab this floor and to edit the type. So for this type, let's just duplicate it. And let's just call it floor, or you can leave it as that, and it's 12 inches. So let's just call it floor for right now, and then say okay. Now let's edit the structure. Now for this, we're going to use this category here, structure, and we might deal with this a little later for other materials or tile. And what's going to happen here, you see it's 1 foot, it doesn't need to be that 1 foot. So now we got oak flooring, so it's like rendered appearance. I don't know why it's thinking so long. That's the way the floor will look. Let's hit apply. Okay. And now here is 1 foot thick. Let's make it only 3 inches for right now. We can always change this later because we got those joists there. So let's make it 3 inches. Say okay. Okay. Now our floor is still sitting down there, so let's take this guy here and let's move it up. Let's move it up to 8'3". Now it's at 8'3", and there's our floor. Now it's sitting right on top of the joist, so let's bring it up a little bit more. Let's make it 8'5". Okay, so there's our floor you're going to use here. So that's how we want to do this now, and then we want to go to our finished floor plan. We've got our floor showing here, which is what we want because we're going to add other items in here. So I may leave it there and bring you back to the next video, and we'll go ahead and bring in another reference because we don't need this anymore. So let's look and see what we have here. Got a level 1. I think this is the level we're going to probably use because we can see more stuff here. We might use this level for our walls and other elements. So hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. We'll go in and put in our level floor for the deck, the veranda, And until next time, see you, and everybody be safe. Thanks for watching and subscribe to this video. We have over 300 videos of Revit, Navisworks, and Inventor. Talk to you later. Bye.